Good day, everyone. My name is Cynthia Cinto, and I'm a BS Nursing student. Today, I'd like to share with you why I chose this path, not just a career, but as a calling. This speech is entitled The Heart Behind the Hands and Why I Chose Nursing. When I first thought about becoming a nurse, I did not imagine long shifts, sleepless nights, or the emotional toll it would take. Like many, I thought of the uniform, the prestige, and maybe even the opportunity to work abroad. But as I took my first step into this journey, I quickly realized nursing is not just a profession, it is a calling. We live in a world where people face pain, fear, and uncertainty every single day. As future nurses, we are being trained not just to treat illnesses, but to care genuinely and wholeheartedly. Our role is unique. Doctors may diagnose, but nurses stay. We hold the patient's hand during a blood draw. We listen when no one else has the time. We offer comfort in silence and strength in the chaos. Throughout my nursing journey so far, I've discovered that greatest skill as a nurse can have isn't just knowledge or technique. It's compassion. I've seen how a kind word can calm anxiety more than any pill. I felt that trust a patient gives you when they are at their most vulnerable. And I've come to understand that being a nurse is being someone's hope when they feel hopeless. This isn't just a path. We'll face pressure, exhaustion, and moments when we question our strength. But every challenge we overcome makes us a better, not just a healthcare providers, but as a human being. So why did I choose nursing? Because I believe that even in a world full of uncertainty, nurses are the constant. We are the heart behind the hands that heal. Thank you.